Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
In this article, we'll explain what a P0442 fault code means, what the possible causes and symptoms are, and how you can diagnose and solve the problem. What does the P0442 fault code mean? Fault code P0442 means evaporative emission control system leak detected, small leak. Your car's computer will set the code when it determines that there is a minor leak somewhere in the evaporative emissions control system, EVAP. What are the possible causes of P0442? The most common causes of P0442 are as follows: a defective fuel cap leak or damage in the EVAP system line, charcoal cartridge leak, or damage in fuel tank, faulty vent valve, internal leak, vent valve defective, internal leak, FTP sensor faulty leak. Detection pump defective. What are the common symptoms of code P0442? As a general rule, the most common symptoms you're most likely to encounter if your vehicle triggers OBDI trouble code P0442 would be a check engine light or an increase in vehicle emissions. How to diagnose code P0442? If tightening the cap doesn't work, you can try buying and installing a new one. Stores usually use a special machine that pumps the EVAP system full of smoke, which helps enormously in finding EVAP system leaks. But P0442 codes can be extremely difficult to find, even for a well-equipped store. If you've recently hit something on the road, or if animals are chewing on hoses and pipes, you may be able to detect damage simply by performing a visual inspection. Check for cracked or disconnected hoses and/or broken plastic parts. Bear in mind, once you've tightened or replaced the tank cap, you'll need to clear the code with a code reader or analysis tool afterwards. The code will not immediately disappear on its own. In addition to the fuel filler cap, there are many other potential causes that can trigger fault code P0442. As such, diagnosis can be difficult. How to repair P0442? Apart from that, you'll need to diagnose the code accurately, as mentioned above, to be able to carry out the most appropriate repair for your specific case. Bear in mind, too, that all cars are different. Therefore, when troubleshooting and repairing diagnostic codes, be sure to consult the factory repair information for your application. Repair manuals, such as those from Chilton, are useful, but an all-data subscription is even better. AllData offers single vehicle subscriptions for do-it-yourselfers that provide detailed factory repair information. What is an EVAP system?